we're back to poor audio, at least for right now. My phone storage, or whatever it is full, and it is not letting me film a single video on here. So if it's difficult to hear me, my apologies. I don't know how many videos I will have to film without my microphone now. See, all of this technical stuff, it always frustrates me, really. Well, here we are in the guest room. We are going to be leaving very early tomorrow morning for our honeymoon. So I'm excited. I have a series of videos planned for you while I'm gone, but it's really exciting, and I've been working really hard just to make sure that there are no interruptions. And you know, I mean, it will be, obviously these are going out later, but you get what I'm saying. So today I had the focus of restocking the kitchen, and now I need to just kind of clean things up in this home just to prepare things. My mother-in-law is going to be staying here. My mom is coming into town tomorrow, and just a lot of things to do. So we just wanted to make sure everything was set to go. And it's not like it's really necessary for me to do some of these deep cleaning tasks, but they were things that would just make me feel good to do. And I packed pretty early, which those packing videos, I believe they're coming. I believe I'm getting all mixed up with all of these videos that I've done. So I think that they're coming. Either they're beginning this week, they might be beginning this week, but I could be wrong too. So don't quote me. But anyway, like I said, I just have a series of videos, and maybe they already started, I don't know, and maybe you're about to see part 2 later on this week. Anyway, that's not the important part. The important part today is that I want to get some things done and cleaned up here that have been lacking. So I needed to wash all the bedding from in here. I need to just do some dusting. So it's funny because as we've been living here, I'm learning what kind of things really need my attention more than others. Like for instance, not every single week am I going to have to wipe down the big sliders, but they have been bothering me for a while because like the dogs get up on them, they put their nose on them, and they just started to look kind of dusty anyway. And so that was something that I wanted to do. And then just kind of wiping down the kitchen really well, making sure that I clean out the microwave. I know that this will probably take some time this evening to do, and in addition to that, we have a little engagement to go to for my daughter tonight. So there's going to be a little bit of an interruption before I'm able to finish, but yeah, it feels good because now everything is already packed and ready to go, and we will be leaving early in the morning. So it's kind of about getting the rest necessary, and part of me resting well is making sure that I've done some things around the house. Now, I don't have to wash our sheets because I washed them, I would say midweek, when I had to actually purchase a brand new set of sheets for our bed because Jorge loves to move his feet on the bed to just get comfortable, and this happens all the time, but he basically burns a hole from his feet moving around in the bed to get comfortable all the time, with no matter what kind of sheets we've had. So that was quite disappointing because we haven't even been here a year yet, and I've needed to purchase a brand new set of sheets. So that was unfortunate, but I'm going to try to remind him because king size sheets are not cheap. So anyway, yeah, it's just about, you know, getting everything prepared and where my mind can rest easy. And I already did my laundry today. I did his laundry. I'm set to go. We will come back. Everything will be nice and clean. I've already cleaned the bathrooms this week, so it's nice when you have like those things that you're taking care of all the time, but then of course you also have those other things that are more once in a while, or you go around to the spaces, especially with the lady of the house method, you go around to each space throughout the week and determine what really needs your attention. So this week, that's what needed my attention. The light fixtures in the kitchen, and then definitely the microwave and the sliders. That's the big thing. I would like to do the floors too, but that will probably be much later tonight, I'm thinking, because it's time to go. They're already here calling me. So anyway, on to what's next. At this point, I am just done. I'm waiting for the comforter to dry. Jorge is still packing, and yeah, he's almost done, but he had to go drop off a friend. So I'm all packed though. I feel good about that. Just like my makeup and a couple of things, and then I am using one of Jorge's packing cubes that I'll want to take because I ran out of room, so that's okay. But anyway, I just want to thank you for being here with me. I know this was kind of a different kind of vlog, and you know, this time I just did what I could do. So anyway, I'm thankful that you've been here. Oh, and those flowers right over there, I think I want to take those with me just to have something pretty inside of the room. Anyway, I'm going to leave you here. Thank you so much for being here with me today. It's time for me to get ready for bed. I'm only going to have a few hours of sleep before we have to head out. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
This is Jorge's 2 cents. Take it or leave it.
Sandy says, Jorge, what are your main responsibilities as the man of the house? What do you tend to give priority, and what do you tend to put off doing, even though you know it should be done?